Welcome everyone. Learn how to generate and optimize multiple links with the BetterLinks AI bulk link generator. Make sure you have installed and activated BetterLinks and BetterLinks Pro. Log in your WordPress dashboard and select BetterLinks. At the top, click on the AI bulk link generator button. You will see a warning to set up the API key for AI link management. Then Click to configure API. BetterLinks supports Google Gemini and OpenAI models. To open the API configuration page and add your key. From the Google AI Studio dashboard, click Create API Key at the top right. Enter a name for your key, select a project and click Create Key. Once the key is generated, copy the API key. Return to the BetterLinks API configuration section. Paste your API key, then select your Gemini model and click Save Settings. Once saved, go back to Manage Links. Click AI Bulk Link Generator again. You'll no longer see any warnings and can easily configure and generate AI bulk links. Select your preferred redirect type, URL generation style and category from the dropdown. Enter your target URLs and use the default AI prompt or customize it. Click Generate Links and a pop-up will show the process. Once done, a preview will appear. Update the links as needed and click Publish. Your links will now be available in the Manage Links section. This is how you can generate shortened links in bulk using BetterLinks' AI bulk link generator. AI creates not just shortened URLs, but also titles, meta descriptions, categories, and tags. The content supports multiple languages based on your instructions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.